If you're thinking about trading with XTB in 2025, you might be wondering what makes it different from other brokers and whether it's actually worth it. In this video, we'll cover features, pros, cons, and who it's best for, so you can decide if it's the right broker for you. So XTB, or Xtrade Brokers, is a well-regulated, publicly listed broker. It's authorized by top regulators like the FCA and CySEC, giving users confidence that their funds are protected. It offers over 2,100 instruments, including Forex, CFDs, stocks, ETFs, indices, commodities, and even crypto in some regions. Its proprietary platform, XStation 5, is available on desktop, web, and mobile, and is known for fast execution and strong charting tools. Then, key features. We have Forex, stocks, ETFs, commodities, indices, crypto, and CFDs. In platforms, we have XStation 5, beginner-friendly but packed with tools. In education, we have webinars, articles, and daily market analysis. In regulation and safety, it's FCA and CySEC oversight. In funding, multiple deposit and withdrawal options. Customer support, 24/5 support in many regions. And new users get 3.5 annual equivalent rate on cash for the first 3 months. And now let's talk about the pros of XTB. Firstly, we have wide asset selection. Trade almost anything in one platform. XStation 5 is fast and easy to navigate. Strong regulation gives you peace of mind for European and global traders. Tight spreads on major instruments. Low minimum deposit, easy for beginners. And also educational resources, great for self-directed learning. In cons, we have inactivity fee. Accounts inactive for 12 months are charged a monthly fee. Can be high. Currency conversion costs can be high if your base currency differs from trading currency. Then we have a limited product spread, fewer long-term investment products than traditional brokers, and only XStation, so no MT4 or 5 uses, no MetaTrader support, only XStation 5, and also sometimes transfer difficulties. Moving positions to other brokers can be tricky. Who is it best for? It's best for traders looking for Forex, CFDs, and commodities, intermediate traders who want a modern platform with analytics, and beginners who want solid education and a demo account. Is it worth it? Yes, if you want a versatile regulated trading platform with competitive fees. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want, I can also make a direct comparison against any other platform if you wish. So if you do, let us know in the comments section. And thanks for watching.